Hunan Huayang Aluminum Company Limited is a manufacturer specializing in R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service of aluminum profiles. OEM and ODM service are provided. We are located in the aluminum processing industrial base of Gongyi City, Hunan Province, with convenient transportation, and we are committed to strict quality control and top-notch customer service. We have rich experienced staff at any time to discuss your requirements and ensure that you are completely satisfied. In recent years, our company has introduced multiple sets of aluminum extrusion production lines, including a series of advanced equipment for CNC processing, anodizing, powder coating, and other surface treatments. We have related professional certificates such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and RoHS. With the increasing demand in the international market, we continue to optimize the production process to fully guarantee the quality of the product. Product quality and integrity are our foundation, and customer satisfaction is our job. Whether you choose the current existing product from our catalog or customize them according to your design, you can immediately contact us through Alibaba. Our customer service staff is online 24 hours and 7 days. We warmly welcome your inquiry and visit our factory at any time. Thank you for your time.
We can provide aluminum profile which meet your requirements. Welcome to contact us.